Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This video is very important to all the candidates who are preparing for NEET PG 2023 because in last few videos I had disclosed the cutoff for 2022 for DNB and All India quota of 50% and NB diploma. But in case you are preparing, it will be helpful if you know like how much score you are going to require and so the rank will be decided later. The score depends on the difficulty level of the paper and the complexity level, how tough it was. But as per the last year, I'm going to give you this mapping, okay, that what was the score required, on which score what was the rank, okay. So starting from rank 1 until 90,000, okay, all mapping you will get here. And you can also take a screenshot, and this is the number given on the screen, 9319128677. Over this number you can contact us, or you can send us WhatsApp messages, both. And you can also avail our paid counseling guidance, where we guide you throughout the process for complete year, starting from the registration process of NEET PG 2023 whenever it get published, until your admission process throughout the counseling, whether it's national level counseling, state level counseling, or private colleges, government colleges, anything. And in case you don't get the seat or satisfactory result and you want to prepare for next time, we get support for one more extended also in the same fee. So you can book the slot. It will be better for you because you will get more support in the same price. So last year, for the rank 1, they had 700 marks, and for 50 rank was on 666 for 100 rank. The rank for 100 rank, the marks was 655. For 500 rank, 622. For 1000, 605. And 1200, 600. 1500 rank was on 593. So if you are getting more than 600, then you be assured that your rank will be under 1500. And if you go beyond 2000, okay, so 2000 rank was on 583, and 2.5k on 576, 3k on 569. I will also tell you some analysis, okay. 3.5 thousand rank up to 563 marks. For 4000 rank you have to get 557 marks, okay. For 4.5 thousand you need to get 552. For 5000, 547. And for 6000, 539. 7000, 530. 8000, 524. 9000, 517. 10,000, 510. Let me tell you, those who are like confident with their preparation, they will definitely get rank up to 20,000, okay. So if you're getting a score of like 460, then you can expect 460 plus, then you can expect rank within 20,000. And now starting from 20,000, for each and every correct answer you will be rewarded 4 marks, okay. So if you are like making like answer correct for one question, then you can expect improvement in the rank by 1000. So 5 more questions you answer correctly, it means your rank will jump from 20,000 to 15,000. See, 15,000 marks is expected on 484 and 20,000 on 461, okay. And the difference is 23, okay. And for each correct you will get 4 marks, means 20 marks improvement. So you can expect on average 1000 rank jump, okay, from 20,000 rank, if you mark one question correct, okay. But as you improve the score, further improving is more difficult, okay. As you can see, from 10,000 to 9,000 you need 7 marks. From 9,000 to 8,000 you need 7 marks further, okay. So up to 20,000 you require like 4 marks, but after 10,000 rank you want to improve, you need like 2 questions to be answered correctly to improve your rank by 1,000. Okay, now let's see. For 21,000 rank you need 457, or if you are getting 450 score, then you can expect your rank around 22,000. Okay, and if you are getting around 450, then 22,000, if you are getting around 425, then you can expect rank up to 29,000 or 30,000, which is in this 425 you can expect anesthesia subject in government college up to mop-up round or DNP. Okay, if your rank is, if your score is around 400, if your score is around 400, then you can expect 37,000 rank. In 37,000 rank you can expect clinical subjects in diploma. Okay, or if you want to get like better higher clinical subjects, then you need to go for private colleges options. Okay, this year there is chance of NMC bill 50% bill implementation, but only time will tell like how it's getting implemented, because it's like difficult to get implemented. Last year also there were so many court cases and all, so ultimately they made it pending. If you are getting a score of like 375, then you can expect 45,000 rank, and your score is around 350, then 55,000 rank, and if your score is 300, then you can expect around 75,000, 75 to 80,000 rank. Okay, to just qualify you need to have at least 275 score or round about that. Okay, your target should be like having a 10 to 15 marks buffer in case you are getting around 450 in GTs or like 500 in GTs. Okay, and you have been continuously improving, then you are right on track. Because if your score is fluctuating, sometime you get 450, sometime you get 500, then again 475, it means you are not in a very confident zone. In a real test you might attain low score, but if your GT progress shows that your graph is improving constantly, it doesn't go down or it doesn't have deep steep. Okay, then you should be confident and you are like making good progress, and in next 2 months you will be able to improve the score further. So such way, in such a way you can assess your GTs and all. Okay, and if you are scoring around 500 GTs, then you assume that you will be able to score like around 20 marks less in real test NEET PG 23, because you should always keep 15-20 marks buffer. Okay, and then you make a target. If you're getting around 500, then you think that you are getting around 480, and you plan the rank accordingly, and how much improvement you need to make. That will be a kind of like better plan, because you don't need to be too confident as well. So I hope this video is useful, and you can contact us on this number. So thanks for watching, have a nice day.